So our next example is, for any integer a, what is minus 1 into a equal to? Third one, in that first, for any integer a, what is minus 1 into a equal to? So here minus 1 multiplied by a is equal to minus a. If you want to take one example, replace a by any number, the answer will be minus 5. Okay, so here this is our answer. Okay, this is the example. Second one, determine the integer whose product with minus 1 is. Determine the integer whose product with minus 1 is. So here determine the integer whose product with minus 1 is a minus 22, b 37, and c 0. So here first one, if you multiply 22 with minus 1, the answer will be 22 ones are 22. Two negative signs, if two negative signs are multiplied, then you get a positive answer. Okay, so this was first one, a. Next, b, 37 multiplied by minus 1, so this will be minus 37. And c, 0 multiplied by minus 1, the answer will be 0. So this is your answer. Okay, next is fourth one. The question is, starting from minus 1 into 5, write various products showing some pattern to show minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to 1. So the question is, starting from minus 1 into 5, write various products showing some pattern to show minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to 1. So here minus 1 into 5 is equal to minus 5. That is, we can write minus 6 plus 1 is equal to minus 5. First one. Second, now let us reduce this number. 1 into 4, the answer is minus 4. That is, minus 5 plus 1 is equal to minus 4. Third, minus 1 into 3. Just reduce this by 1. That is equal to minus 3. That is, minus 4 plus 1, you get the answer minus 3. Okay, similarly, fourth one, minus 1 into 2, the answer you get is minus 2. Okay, that is equal to minus 3 plus 1, you get the answer minus 2. 1, minus 1 into 1, the answer you get is minus 1, that is equal to minus 2 plus 1, the answer you get is minus 1. Sixth one, minus 1 into 0, the answer you will get is 0, that is minus 1 plus 1, the answer you get is 0. And seventh one, minus 1 into minus 1, the answer you get is 1. Okay, this is 0 plus 1, the answer you get is 1. Okay, so this was asked to us. So this is the pattern. This is the pattern. Minus 1 into 5 is minus 5. Minus 6 plus 1 is minus 5. Minus 1 into 4 is equal to minus 4. Minus 5 plus 1 is equal to minus 4. Minus 1 into 3 is equal to minus 3. Minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3. and so on till we get the answer as -1 into -1 is equal to 1, that is 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. So this was our answer. So that was fourth one, and now we are having fifth one. Find the product using suitable properties. A, 26 multiplied by -48 plus -48 multiplied by -36. So 26 multiplied by -48 plus -48 multiplied by -30. So here we can use distributive property to solve this example. So what we will do here is we will take -48 as common. So if we take -48 as common, then multiplied by into bracket, what will remain? 26 and 36. So 26 plus -36. So this will be the simplification of this problem. Okay, so here we have used distributive property. Okay, so this will be -48 multiplied by 26 minus 36. 26 minus 36. So 26 minus 36 is what? Minus 10. Minus 48 will remain as it is. Multiplication sign will remain as it is. So minus 48 multiplied by minus 10. 48 tens is 480. Minus into minus becomes plus. So no need to write negative sign. Both the negative signs, when two negative signs are multiplied, you get the positive sign. Okay, so this was our first example. We solved this example by distributive property. Okay. Our next example is B, that is 8 into 53 multiplied by minus 125. So here what we will do, we will just regroup the numbers and then we will try to solve it. 8 multiplied by minus 125 multiplied by 53. So 125 8s are 125 8s are. If you multiply 125 by 8, it gives us 1000. 8 5s are 40, 8 2s are 16 plus 4 20, 8 1s are 8 plus 2 10. So it gives us 1000. So this gives us 1000 plus into minus minus multiplied by 53. So this will be 1000 multiplied by 53 is 53,000, and positive negative into positive gives us negative sign. Okay, so this is our answer. So here we have used the property of regrouping. Okay, C, 15 multiplied by minus 25 multiplied by minus 4 multiplied by minus 10. Okay, so here what we will do, here we will again use the regrouping property. So here we will multiply first these two numbers. 15 multiplied by 25 4 is 100, minus into minus is plus, again multiplied by minus 10. So now we will multiply these two numbers. 15 100 multiplied by minus 10, it gives us 1000. Okay, that will be minus. So 15 multiplied by minus 1000, 15 into 1000 gives us 15,000, and plus into minus gives us minus. So this is our answer. Okay, again we have used here regrouping property. Okay, next example, D, that is minus 41 multiplied by 102. Here what we can do is we can split this number into 100 plus 2. 102 can be written as 100 plus 2. Okay, so minus 41 multiplied by into bracket 100 plus 2. Okay, now we will use here distributive property. First 41 will multiply by 100, minus 41 into 100. Then 41 will multiply to 2. Plus sign plus. Minus 41 into 2. Minus 41 into 2. So minus 41 into 100 is minus 4100. Plus minus 41 into 2 is minus 82. So minus 4100 minus 82. So this gives us minus 4182 as an answer. Okay. Here what you will do is you will add these two numbers and then you will give the common sign. Okay. So this was our answer.